Oh, malayo. Wala na yun. Dr. Madaglag, Julie, yun, Dobita. Sa buhangin! Sa buhangin!
Morning, dito kami ni Dunlord. Dito kami ngayon sa Aroca to, bro, no? Aroca. Mayroon kasi Pilipino dito nakatira. Binisita namin. So, guys, maraming kasiyahan to kasi naghahanda siya ng marami. So, bahay nila dito, pamilya, parang compound, pamilya nila. So, andito kami sa Aroca. So, what's out, guys? Shout out sa inyo lahat at welcome to my vlog, Filipino in Caribbean. Don, shout out!
Shout out 6-2.
6-2 sa Tobago?
Oh, Formentera.
Okay. Yun, 6-2. Brad 6-2. Shout out daw doon, Lord.
Hi.
Ni Alan, dili ka?
Alan Tagadyat and
Sila tanan?
sila tanan.
Sige, di na mo ma-mention. Kidagan mo kayo doon sa Tobago, kon.
Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, naman eh. Makasagot ko Ilonggo, Bisaya. Karay, alam.
Sinabo sila, kuya?
Karay, kaya din yung ako si Katoto.
Fine.
Kasi mayroon siyang obligasyon. Bibili yan o ginagawa lang? Ginagawa eh, free ako eh.
Wala yan dito yung
Got this. Cooking for chicken adobo.
chicken foot adobo.
Food. Wow!
Yeah, Jens wanted taught me how to do it and I started to try out on my own.
So you like it's like a stew?
Yes, I used to be a chef.
Yeah.
Yeah, a long time ago. But I never followed it up. I used to have food science. That's what I did before I left the US.
But you like the Filipino food?
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's nice. But it's not far from taste from Caribbean, huh?
No,
it's
what
like
that's what I tell
yeah,
Jen because you call it adobo, we do it, but it's like a stew.
stew, yeah.
Yeah.
Stew.
And I know that you guys do well, Jen, Bisaya.
What is this? Kokalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what we call that.
Yeah, dagmai.
Yeah.
Yeah, dagmai.
Dagmai, yeah.
Put crabs in it.
Wow.
With coconut milk. Yeah.
Look
lots of
delicious.
coconut
Look
milk.
delicious, man.
Yeah, but the cooking is very similar.
I'm very excited to meet you guys. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Because we long time.
I think the last time we came, which was in 2024, I think Jen started your group.
Yeah.
Joined the group.
Yeah.
And some of I don't know, I can't remember who, but some Filipinos brought us some food in the mall.
The mall.
The mall. We met them at the Trinity Mall, and they brought us some food so that we can take back to New Jersey.
Wow, you take it back to New Jersey.
We take back everything, and we bring back anything.
Wow.
Yeah,
But it's so nice that you're here on your own home country.
May pansit. May pansit doon.
Asa ang pansit? Asa?
Putik.
Oo.
Ayun na, may sahog-sahog sila. Ayun.
Kala ko luto na, hindi mo sinabi. Nabuksan ko tuloy.
Maganda yung ewan niyang ganyan. Dapat bumili ka ng ganyan.
Hindi, ang kuhan yan. Ang mantika na papasok yan sa ilalim. Hirap linisin. Hirap linisin.
Kuya, may nakabili na ng tren?
Brad, babasa ka na, Brad. Ari diri, Brad. Yes, kuya, magsugba. Tingko pa ha. Mura ka ng DJ po diya ba? Hawak ko ng beat. Hawak ko ang brief.
Tapos yung ano, yung nakahuli yung CCTV. Nireview ng asawa siguro ko.
Kay Mito oh.
Lagi, mga kata.
Tapos hindi pa alam ng gabi.
Ako yung paano mo, paakyatin, malalaki ko.
First time pa ko kita kay Mito.
Ako sa, dinis to
Really?
trinidad.
Oh.
Ilan siya nakalito nila.
Oh, malayo wala na yun. Nagkamadaglag, Julie, yun daw bita. Pero yung ano, sa mismong sa Pilipinas.
Pero saan siya nag-aral? Inform na to eh.
Ay, sa bagay, yung mantika nga kasi, ano yung cholesterol?
Tadi ko na, Lorenz.
Oo.
Adios, matigas-tigas na.
Oo, ayan.
Kagalis lang yung ulo yan eh. Ito local, dito niya pinili.
Yan.
Jen, ano ba birthday mo? Kadaming mga nagpunta sa atin si iyo. President siya ang pinaka-the worst. I'm not prepared.
Sama na niya.
Four sisters.
Grind siya ng pepper.
One sister in New Jersey. And three
He's
sisters here.
making powder pepper.
This have plenty spice?
For peppercorn blend.
Yeah, I don't like too much hot also.
That's good.
Yeah.
Ano yan? May kasaling sili ako ito mga black pepper. Baka hindi ko makain. Yung mga ibang tulo-tulo, mahanghang. Hindi ako mahilig.
Huwag mong ilapit masyado mukha mo ning kasi ma-flawless pa ng mukha mo, mainit ba? Palayo ta, baka pupukin tayo.
Nakikimarites ka na naman. Aga-aga! Marites!
Diba? Bakit? Bakit nyo malab? Kami hindi kami malab.
Siyempre!
Kasamahan kami na.
Abol mo na kuya. Ay, mahulog ka ha? Paginay.
Wala na basta kuha.
Mahulog ka.
Hindi umawag ka. Sige, dito pa. Sige, nakikita ko.
Sige na!
Magkamano yung piper?
Hold the tree!
The tree. The tree.
We're taking out the tree!
On this moment, I have been blessed. I for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath.
Lawrence. Nakita. O yan. Oh, ang galing ni Lawrence. Oh. The expert.
Can't wait to live my life with you.
Tatay na coconut. Ang sarap! Ito yun. Ito yung ano, ebidensya.
Eh ba, tumaas yung mukha mo?
Tumaas mo kanya. Malapit na kasuka. Oo, expert no? Galing no? Wow. Ang galing. Ang galing. Yung mawisa. One for the people who prepare the food. Thank you so much. And for Genevieve and her husband and the family. Thank you for inviting us here in your humble home. And we are gathered here to celebrate Jesus Christ. Amen. Thank you. And be safe, everyone, when you go home. And enjoy. Have fun tonight.
Jesus is risen.
Yung last place, hindi pa na... Ano ito? Crab and dumpling.
Crab and dumplings.
Ayan. You ate all na mga turn.
Come.
Oh, kasi inyo yan.
Jen, salamat sa pag-imbita namin ha.
Oo, kasi ano ulit yung kuya sa July?
July ulit? Thank you so much for inviting us. And the food is so very delicious.
Thank you.
Yeah. Full of belly big. Away yun wala.
Lagi nag-aaway to.
Ito lang ba dalawa? Dalawa lang ba sila?
Ayaw ko na.
I don't eat cake, ha?
Ilang buwan yan, tatangkad pa yan sa'yo. Tatangkad tong isa eh.
Okay. Good.
Ay, ba't namatay?
Dili na ko sa kuan. Sa dog case na ko. Awa na. Kunan off.
If you were missing out of